Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find frequently asked questions on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen, and you can find the help section and click to the first. And here you can find actually two questions: failure to export or failure to restore. Click to the arrow and you can check the information about that topic. So that's it, pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.